Many people notice changes in their body during growth. But what most people are not prepared for are emotional changes. Sudden mood shifts, feeling confused, feeling sensitive without a clear reason. If you have ever felt this way, you are not alone. This video is created for educational and awareness purposes only. There is nothing graphic here and no judgment. Let's understand emotional changes slowly, calmly, and clearly. Emotional changes are shifts in how we feel, react, and think. During growing years, emotions may feel stronger than before. This does not mean something is wrong. You might feel happy one moment and low the next. This happens because the mind and body are developing at the same time. Emotional changes often happen because of hormones. Hormones influence mood, energy levels, and emotional sensitivity. These changes are biological. They are not a personal failure. At the same time, the brain is still learning how to manage emotions. This combination can feel overwhelming, but it is a normal part of growth. Many people experience strong emotions during this phase. Some common emotional experiences include feeling more sensitive than usual, getting irritated easily, or wanting more privacy. Many people also feel confused without knowing why. These emotions may not stay forever. They can come and go without a clear reason. For many people, this phase slowly passes with time. Mood swings are sudden changes in emotional state. Mood swings can happen due to hormone changes, stress, or lack of rest. Mood swings do not define who you are. It is very common to overthink during emotional development. Small issues may feel big, and thoughts may feel intense. Confusion does not mean weakness. It means growth. Many people also experience self-doubt during this time. The mind is learning decision-making and emotional balance. Self-doubt is often part of the learning process. Some simple ways to cope include giving yourself time, getting enough rest, and slowing down when needed. Talking to someone you trust can also help. Avoid comparing yourself constantly with others. Everyone grows at a different pace. Sometimes, support can be helpful. If feelings become overwhelming or daily life feels difficult, asking for help is okay. Support is a sign of awareness, not weakness. Every adult you see today has experienced emotional changes. You are not broken. You are not failing. You are learning how to understand yourself. Thank you for taking time to watch. If this explanation helped you, take time to learn at your own pace. For more calm and educational content, you may consider subscribing. This content is for educational purposes only and does not replace professional advice.